I just feel like I have a lot going on. Like, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. MICHELLECHANEL here. Thank you for clicking to watch the video. You in here. I know I have a lot going on. Listen, there's like some stuff, like I had to like lay the edges, but I didn't want to look like an egg. So like I kept my towel on from my shower. Just, come on. Like, this is how my channel goes. Today, I'm going to be doing a bomb fall look. So if you want to see how this goes, go ahead and keep watching. Subscribe to the channel. Do all your homework. And yeah, we're going to get started. Here we go. Alright, I'm going to prime with this concealer. It's my Juvia's Place concealer. Y'all know how it go. You know how it goes. And this is just to get my eyelid color in order. You see the difference? So I cancel out, basically making a blank canvas here. And then here, it's still dark. But this, that's what I'm looking for. Can we come in anymore? I honestly don't know where I'm going with this. I feel like since the fall has started, I've been like reaching for like pinks and purples. But like, what else is going on? You know what I'm saying? Alright, my first shade I'm going to take is this shade. And this shade is Quads. I forgot. It's a ColourPop shade. I saw it. It was this is really old. I saw it a long time ago on their website. And I said, I just really want a unique like green color. And so I ordered it. But I don't remember what it's called. But it's definitely a ColourPop. It's just in their single pan. But I'm going to use this first. I feel like I want to go green brown or something. So I'm going to start by packing this on. Okay, you're looking good here. Just going to keep stamping. Now I want to take a clean brush. I'm going to go into the palette, the Juvia's Place Nubian 2. And I'm going to use the shade Madagascar in here. Well, a mixture of Madagascar and Morocco. And I'm going to use those two shades to blend out the edges of the green color. And I'm going to work really slowly with this. Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Y'all, I've been singing that song like nonstop and like playing it nonstop. It's all I play. Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Better than this. Oh no. We ain't gotta hide. That's the way I gotta be. Nothing feels better. Hold it right. Take it back on your side, like that. Oh, nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Now I'm going to go back with the green shade just to reinforce. Y'all know how I do. I want everything to be seen. Every single shade I used. And I haven't even gone in with Morocco yet. This is just Madagascar here on the top and then the green shade. So these are only two shades so far. I like the way this is looking though. I already know the next shade I'm going to go in with. I'm going to use the Jackie Aina palette next. And I'm going to go in with the shade Credit, which is the deep brown here. That's my next shade. That's what I'm going to use for definition. Out here, this is a Morphe 573. Since my eyes are like, they don't really go out that much, I'm taking this out further than my eye because in the end, it's going to make my eye look huge. So I'm going to put this way out here. It's going to act as like, basically like my eye really goes out. Wishful thinking. Thanks a lot, God. No, I'm just kidding. He makes no mistakes. Now that I have that out there, I'm going to reinforce with the green and go back and forth. Y'all know the drill. What I'm going to use for the star of the show today is the shade Sponsored. This is the shade I knew I was going to use. I just had to see what my barriers were going to be around that, if you know what I'm saying. I'm like, I'm going to... Oh, my. It's me, Pam. I'm going to take it up in the corner of my eye some. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Sheesh. Girl, girl, girl. I'm taking Credit and going around. I'm going to go in with the green. I'm loving how this green is working for me here. I'm going to use the slightest bit of of black, the slightest. Alyssa Edwards palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. This black is really good. Loving how this is looking. I'm gonna clean up here, do my other eye. I am adding a wing liner, and then I'm gonna put on my lashes, and we'll get into the skin. We're not gonna go too in depth with the skin because I'm basically gonna do my normal face that I've been doing. So it'll be a little faster than usual, but I'll be back, okay? I'm probably gonna mix my two favorites right now. This is the Smashbox 15 Hour Wear Hydrating, and then the Juvia's Place, which is really matte. So I like to mix those two. And I'm gonna blend that out nice and full here. Full coverage. Anywho, I'm gonna start by putting this. I put this beside my nose, and this is the Juvia's Place concealer in this shade 8. And I use this beside my nose because that's where I get the most oily, and this is the most matte concealer that I have. So I put this there, and then I use Cocoa because it's just closer to my skin tone. It's not as cool. See how neutral this one is, and this one is a bit warmer. So I put this one directly under my eye, whereas this goes a little bit below, beside the nose. And then this Morphe concealer in the shade C4.45 I use to just make a little brighter. So I'm going to be using those today. Highlighted with the Anastasia Glow Kit as always, and I use bronze in there. Now I'm going to use the Maxi blush, and this is by Rimmel, and this is the only blush that I've been using. It's just such a nice color, and it pretty much goes with everything. So all we have left is just a lower lash line. I'm going to tell you now. I am going to throw on a little bit of the green shade down there. I'm gonna throw on the green shade and probably some of Credit, and that'll be it. Nothing too extensive. I'm gonna throw on some mascara. Y'all know I want to do nude, but I am going to do something else just to say I finally did something else. Yeah, I'm gonna use this is the Vivid Hot Lacquer by Maybelline in the shade 74 Retro. I've used it before, it's really nice. All right, so we basically have the finished look. What do you guys think? Eyes on. I see the good looking blush, bronzer, contour, this lip color. I feel like it goes really well with these eyes. What do you guys think? Now I have to close out the video, but here's the thing. My hair is in my car and it's pouring rain outside. Can I end the video like this? Like, is that even allowed? Like, I can't. I'm gonna have to like get creative. Is there another wig? Oh gosh. Okay, this is gonna have to work. Don't ask me about this wig because this is really not even on my head. Finesse. All right, but this is the final look. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Let me know how you like this look. Let me know how you like these eyes. I'm really digging the sponsor shade on the lid. Like, I think that's my favorite thing about today. I'm really feeling this. Don't tell me. Don't tell me nothing. Don't. Shh. Thank you guys for stopping by again. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want more tutorials. And yeah, it's just a roller coaster over here. Videos come out when they do. Whenever they do. So make sure you just turn the notification bell on, and it's like right next to the word subscribe. It's like a bell. Click it. And when I post, you're gonna be like, and I'll be like, and we're gonna be looking at each other because you tuned in. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much. Y'all know I already appreciate whenever y'all watch. Hope y'all enjoyed the last video. Fall look poppin'. We're in here. Okay, I think I'm in the game. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.